Okay, guys, so we went and bought 4 Darkness Ablaze booster packs, and so let's just hop right into it. Here we go. We're just gonna speed run through these.
White and green.
Let's go. Psychic Energy, Lunatone, Struggle Gloves, Electrike, Galarian Mr. Mime, Grimer, Clink, Skitty, Sintra, and Hollow Heat Ran.
Wow, that's a cool
It's a
card.
pretty good card. It's a pretty good card. I was really hoping for something better, but that's all right.
It's okay.
You know, we'll take it. We'll take it. Oh, green garbage. Here it is for you guys, because I don't want it. Let's just go through this. Psychic. Tauros. Cape of Toughness, and that dude. Okay, 2 more packs left. Ah, the green. Dang it. Alright, we're just gonna go through it. It's just a green. No one cares. Oh, I'm in Trike. Alright. Okay, let's go. It's a white and green. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Come on.
Green.
Let's leaf. Yellhorn. Oh man, I'm scared. Here we go. Oh, Salamander Z. Let's go. Let's end it right there, boys.